A little follow-up. This is we're on day 10 of our 11-day cruise. And one thing I want to let you know on the Iconic Suite, unfortunately, they do not have a cleaning schedule set for the outside glasses, it appears. So, if you feel like these things are getting dirty and you want them cleaned, let your butler know well ahead of time. Unfortunately, they get pretty dirty from the sea air. I'm extremely surprised they do not have a schedule. The windows inside are just as bad. So you're looking at the upper glass, of course, is going to be a little worse than the bottom glass. But real streaky, real foggy. So hopefully they get this taken care of and they get this on schedule. Unfortunately for us, this is our next day is at sea, and then we port in Barcelona. So they won't be able to do anything until they're in port. They do get them nice and clean on the first day, of course. So hopefully this is something Celebrity puts on the schedule for the cleaners for the Iconic Suite. Again, this is Destination DelCastillo. If you have any questions, just let us know in the comments and down below. Thanks. Like and subscribe. Bye.